Welcome. This is your official installation guide for the HD front mount granite countertop support bracket. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of the installation process, including proper wall preparation and secure mounting techniques to ensure maximum strength and stability. Whether you're a professional contractor or taking on this project yourself, this guide will help you achieve a strong, secure installation. Let's get started. Step 1. Mounting mark. Measure and mark the bracket positions along the top of the mounting surface. Start 4 inches from each end, then space the remaining brackets evenly between 16 and 24 inches apart. An accurate layout at this stage helps ensure proper load distribution and a clean, professional installation. Step 2. Bracket mounting. Position the bracket so it mounts directly to a wall stud or reinforced backing. It must sit flush against solid structural material. Never drywall alone. Secure it using the included heavy-duty screws through the rear countersunk holes and tighten firmly. Tip: pre-drill with a 9/64" bit to prevent splitting. Step 3. Bracket leveling. Use a level to confirm each bracket is properly aligned. Check both the horizontal arm and vertical face before moving forward. Step 4. Apply adhesive. Apply a bead of silicone to each bracket before setting the countertop. Tip: for wood tops, screws can replace adhesive. Step 5. Place the countertop. Carefully set the countertop onto the brackets, ensuring proper alignment and full contact before final adjustments. Mounting over drywall using wood blocking. Step 1. Drywall installed over backing. If your cabinet base or pony wall has drywall, you'll need to add solid backing before mounting your brackets. This backing must be secured to wall studs or cabinet box framing and provide proper support for the bracket. In this example, we're adding the backing after the drywall is installed. Step 2. Cut drywall opening. Cut an opening in the drywall slightly smaller than the bracket backplate. This allows the bracket to fully cover the cut for a clean finish. Step 3. Install wood blocking. Install wood blocking matching the drywall thickness, for example 5/8 inch, and secure it to the 2x12 backing. Ensure it sits flush with the drywall. Step 4. Install bracket. Mount the bracket over the wood blocking, ensuring it sits flush with the drywall, and fasten it into the structural backing. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through any of our support channels. We're here to help make your installation a success.